Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the laptop keyboard not working or not typing. So in that case, you cannot use your laptop keyboard. So we're just going to use our mouse. So first is you need to make a right click at the start button. Then you have to select the list of options. You have to select device manager, this one. Now the device manager window will appear. So what you can do here in the device manager window, you need to locate the keyboards. Now here you'll find your keyboard. So you could have two keyboard driver or one keyboard driver. Well, the process is just the same. Simply make a right click and then you have to select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then close this window and after that just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. But if that doesn't fix, then go back to the same device manager window. This time, make a right click on the keyboard driver, select update driver. This time, you need to choose browse my computer for drivers. So you are going to install the driver manually. Then here you have to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click on this and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this window. Your hardware settings have changed. You must restart your computer. Then you have to click on yes. So I'm not just going to click on yes because I'm still going to show you the next ways. So in your case, you have to click on yes. Now for the next method is close out of here and then make a right click at the start button again. Select settings or you can just simply, oh, okay, it's the case. Click on settings. Then you have to click on the accessibility. Scroll down and you will find keyboard. Then you'll find on-screen keyboard. Turn that on. Now the on-screen keyboard is enabled. So here in the on-screen keyboard, now you have to click on the Windows search bar. You can also use your on-screen keyboard as a replacement for your laptop keys. Here you need to type CMD. Then you have to hit this enter key. So I'm just going to close it again. Now go back to the Windows search bar, type CMD. Let me just minimize this on-screen keyboard. Then here you have to click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. So do not forget this. This is something that you should not forget. Do run the command prompt as an administrator so that the command will work. Now here in this block window, you need to type SFC space forward slash this one. So let me do it again for you. It's SFC space forward slash scan now. So you can use your on-screen keyboard. It's SFC space forward slash scan now, then hit enter. Now the verification process will begin. So what this will do is that this will check and fix for all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, you should not close the window and wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, we can also try the basic one, which is to update our Windows. So click on the Windows key on the on-screen keyboard. And here you have to go to settings, click on Windows Update, and simply click this button right here to make sure that your Windows is up to date because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue with it. So once you're updated, then you just need to restart your Windows and then that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.